I'm going to design a blanket that's 40 inches wide that I want to use a feature to create double cloth, this feature right here, and fold it after I design the blanket, looking at it flat. So I'm going to have 480 war pins in my blanket. I'm going to use a wool that's 12 inches per inch, and I want 4 10-inch stripes in different colors. So let's first do that. Several ways to do this. I'm going to use the design repeats function, and in my warp I'm going to go from 1 to 4, and let's see, if we do this 119, that looks like that'll do that. So now we've got 480 war pins here and a simple twill, and then I'll do the same thing in the weft from 1 to 4, going into my weft. Okay, so now we've got our structure there for our 2-2 twill. Now let's work on the color. I'll do color replace. So my work colors, I want to do, let's see, 120 of the first color. Let's say I want to do a purple. We'll make a pretty ugly blanket. So I want to do 120, and let's see if that worked the way we thought it would. Yes, it did. And then I want to do, let's just say, a blue. We'll start that at 121 and go to 240. And then we'll go at 241 and end at 360. We have the next color, let's pick a yellow. And then let's go at 361 to 480. And we'll do a red. Okay. Let's zoom to a level we can see what we've done. So here you have 480 war pins and 4 big stripes. Now let's do something with the weft. For right now we'll just put all blue. Okay, I'm going to close this panel. Now, if I want to create a double cloth, let me zoom into where you can see it. 2-2 twill. I can click this icon, and I have an option. Do I want to weave with the fold on the left or the right? There's also an option for tubular, but we're going to do a blanket. So we'll say fold on the left. Now, this is what it generated. And that's a lot of work to do manually. And as you can see, it's pretty easy. So let's see what it looks like. I'm going to go into View. I'm going to go into Cloth Sim and see if this looks like I thought it would. And there we can see our 4 big stripes. If we're rotating it around, it seems to work. And you can see the direction of the twill. If you look, you can see it looks like it's going from left to right, slanting up. And when you look at the back, it looks the opposite, as it would if you were actually looking at the cloth. So that's, and by the way, I'm rotating this with the up and down arrow keys, and you can also use the left and right arrow keys like that, or the space to kind of change it from a flat and see how it looks. So that is a demonstration of creating double cloth, and again, as a reminder, that was on the Design tab, the Create Double Cloth, and the View using Cloth Sim.